Hello everyone, this video is brought to you by FXGLORY Media team and will show you how you can make a deposit to your FXGLORY account using Bitcoin easily and snappy. Enter your account dashboard area by clicking on Client Cabinet at the top. Go to Deposit tab and select Instant Deposit option. Choose the account you're willing to deposit to, then click on Show Methods button. As you can see, there's an option to top up your balance using cryptocurrencies. You can see the list of cryptocurrencies you can deposit with here that you can pick the one you want through. As you see here, making deposit using Bitcoin and Ethereum has an offer of instant deposit to make your deposit super fast. No need to network confirmations, you can find this option exclusively just here in FXGLORY. While using other cryptocurrencies will take some time for the network to confirm the transaction before it can be added to your FXGLORY account, which we use Bitcoin for this tutorial. There is a blue text in front of the method that states that you can get up to 10% discount using this method. So what does it mean? As explained here, we provide our customers with a discount up to 10% for each deposit in order to reduce the USD to cryptocurrency exchange rate fees. And the details of discount has been shown here. Make sure to check this page before you deposit, as it can be updated anytime by FXGLORY. After you selected the right method, determine the amount you want to deposit here in this field and click on Make a Deposit button. Details of your payment will be shown in this step that you have to confirm to continue. Your payment invoice will appear that contains the payable amount you should pay and a Bitcoin address to send to. The address is also shown as a QR code you can scan to have the address easier. Notice that you have to send the exact amount in order for the payment system to recognize your payment. That's why we recommend you to copy the payable amount and paste it where you want to send from. Now you should open up your Bitcoin wallet and send the amount requested to the address given in the invoice. Make sure you're sending Bitcoins if you have a multi-currency wallet like we have here. Put the exact payable amount here in Bitcoin. As you can see here, if you check the US dollar amount equivalent to Bitcoin at the time, you'll notice that discount is applied. You pay $47.5 for a $50 deposit. The next step is determining the Bitcoin address. Easily copy the address from invoice and put it in the field. You can write a description for your payment that will make it easier for checking your payments later on in the future. The next part is about transaction fee. The more you pay for transaction fee, the faster your payment will be processed and verified by the network. But thanks to FXGLORY instant verification and confirmation payment technology, you can leave it as regular since your payment will be received and verified by us instantly as you click on Send button. Click on Continue, double check the address and amount you're sending in this page, and finally click on Send Bitcoin. Then get back to deposit invoice page and wait for payment to be received. As you saw, it happened in few seconds thanks to FXGLORY unique instant deposit technology.